Hello everybody, this is Cameron Snow with Danomics. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing some of the NMR capabilities in Danomics. So we recently added NMR around December 2025. So this is a relatively new module. You'll see here in the video that it's still labeled as being in the beta phase, which means we are actively updating it still. So what can you do in the NMR module? First, you can display the T2 distributions. To do this, what you'll need to do is if your T2 distribution is named anything other than T2 underscore dist, you'll need to come here to this parameter called T2 distribution name, and you'll need to type that in here. So if you have a different name for a particular well, you can come in and add that mnemonic name. Once you have that, you will get a plot here, and this is a heat map style plot. This is an alternative to the plot that you'll see often with the waveforms. But I find this plot is actually very useful for setting the cutoffs. You can, of course, come in and modify the colors here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to use a different color map to make this pop a little bit more. I can do that. Now, once you have done this, by default, we assume that the T2 distribution is going from 0.3 to 3,000 milliseconds. That's the standard for most vendors. However, you know, sometimes there are options for different distribution lengths. If that is the case for one of your logs, you can come in and modify that here. Now, once you have done that, you're then ready to set your cutoffs for the bound water cutoff and the free fluid cutoff, and those are represented by these red and green parameter lines that are here in the module track. And if I zoom into this particular well, and if I wanted to come in here and lower my free fluid index, I can come in here and I can change that, and we'll see how that updates here. Same as I could come in and I could raise or lower my bound water cutoff as well, which will affect the clay bound and capillary bound uh, calculations. So it's as simple as that to come in and calculate not only the porosity from your NMR, but we also can calculate a irreducible water saturation and the coat's permeability from that as well. All right, if you have any questions about how to use the NMR, just give us a shout at support@danomics.com. Thank you.